It is official, ladies and gentlemen. We have the Mustang with us. It is completed. Well, technically completed, not completed. We have all this in the car right now. So the car's painted, it's all fixed up, all the dents, all the framework on the fender and stuff is aligned, but we still need to put the grill on, the fascia and the splitter, and I need to reconnect the fog lights. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to Efrain's house and we're gonna set everything up before I show you guys the reveal. And let me just tell you guys, the paint is on point, 100% paint match. Well, I mean, it looks paint match. I mean, once you start paying more attention to it, then you might be able to see a difference or so, but totally recommend it. It looks really, really good. I don't know how I managed to do this, but I was able to put everything in there. I have the splitter, the grill, and the front fascia with fog lights. Let me show you guys a quick walk around what got fixed up. Here she is. Still missing the front bumper. My wife has the front bumper. She's about to deliver that for me, but they did adjust this right here. I don't know if you guys remember, it was misaligned, and now look at that. Pretty good. Looks better. And my handy dandy assistant for today, Efrain. And here it is, guys. Brand new painted fender. It got painted and blended to the rest of the door. Looks really good. They ended up just clearing everything, so like this whole panel, this whole side looks brand new. So I'm kind of on the fence about taking it back to get the other side done. That way it'll look just 10 times better. But looks good, man. I'm just waiting for that front bumper to get here, and we're gonna have to wire up the fog lights so that once that's done, we can set up everything and have the final result. We got delivery of the bumper. Look at that. It looks 10 times better than when it was before, like when it was painted before the crash. I did get the other bumper pre-painted off of eBay. This is completely painted from a paint shop, and you can see my reflection there. So pretty good job. I haven't bolted it on yet, so I don't know how close it is to the paint. I'm gonna go ahead and start assembling everything and put the grill first, which is the easiest, and then the fascia with the fogs. And Efrain's over here working on wiring the fogs over there. Grill is on, super easy. All you do is just get it through these little holes right here and put these retaining clips, and it is a done deal. They're sealed. I am missing quite a bit, but it's enough to hold them off. Plus I'll still have these push pins and it'll hold it in place. Next, we do have the fascia, which once it's on, it'll just put everything in place and it'll be in one piece. And lastly, we're gonna need to put the street arrow splitter back on. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to, because those broke off, those splitter rods, when I got in the accident. So might be able to do it, I might not. We'll find out in a bit. The only thing I'm missing is to swap out the seat belt and fix up this airbag over here, but like that's it. Like exterior wise, the car is completely finished. Bumpers on, just all the bolts are on, like everything I could just need, it's on the car already. Splitter, fascia, grill, lights are connected, fog lights, everything. The car is completely finished. I can go to a car show tomorrow if I wanted to, and the car's looking clean. Just needs a little wash, quick detail, and it is good to go. So I'm super freaking excited, guys. I'm not gonna show you the reveal yet, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to make it on the next video. God willing, I'm gonna make a video on the price, how much it cost me to build. Let me just tell you guys, a lot of people were commenting on the other videos and telling me through Instagram that the car was completely gone. It was a mess. It was gonna be like $5 grand to fix it. Let me tell you, it did not take $5 grand. And I have a bit of money in my pocket left over from the check that the insurance place gave me. So pretty excited, guys. The car is finished, man. I don't know what to say anymore. Just better and bigger mods coming soon, so stay tuned. But I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one, man. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys. Like the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.